So next on our frequently asked questions, we're going to be talking a little bit about safety. Now, keeping your property safe is really important, and there's a few simple ways to make sure that it is safe and secure. The first one is for those properties that have a burglar alarm. Ensure that you get your burglar alarm code off of us when you first move in. Now, these are really simple to set, and you should always make sure it's set before leaving the property. So you'll get a 4-digit code. All you need to do is enter it on the panel and press either set or full. It will be different depending on the type of alarm that you have. When you leave, you will hear it silence after a few minutes. When you arrive back at the property, the alarm will go off, and all you need to do is enter the 4-digit code. You don't need to press anything else.